Hey there! Today we're going to be talking about the central nervous system, or the CNS for short. But before we get started, let's first talk about the nervous system as a whole. The nervous system is made up of two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is made up of all the nerves that are outside of the brain and spinal cord, and it's responsible for sending messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body. The central nervous system, on the other hand, is made up of the brain and spinal cord. This is where all the important decision-making and processing happens. Think of it like a command center. It's where all the signals from the outside world are sent and interpreted. And it's also where commands are sent out to the rest of the body to tell it how to respond. The brain is the most complex organ in the body, and it's divided into several different parts, each responsible for different functions. For example, the cerebrum is responsible for things like movement, sensation, and decision-making, while the cerebellum is responsible for coordinating movement and balance. The spinal cord, on the other hand, is a long, thin bundle of nerves that runs from the base of the brain down through the back. It acts like a kind of relay station, sending signals from the brain to the rest of the body and vice versa. So, in summary, the central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord, and it's responsible for the processing and interpretation of information and commands that the body receives and sends. And that's the basics of the central nervous system. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today.